Where if you already have a home mortgage, you'll be reeling under those high interest rates. But Devna Vora finds out that if you're new, if you're trying to enter the home loan market, you might actually get quite attractive rates. Here's the story.
If you want a home loan, this may be a good time. What with banks and financial institutions offering lower rates and discounts to lure new customers, many of whom have been sitting on the sidelines for the last few months. 80 to 85% of demand is now in the form of floating rate loans. Informally, the lending rate for floating loans has come down to 11% from 11.5% in the last 5 months. But this is extended to people with good credit profiles. Officially, only Bank of Baroda has announced a 50 basis point cut in home loans for new customers. SBI is expected to announce a reduction in rates soon. And the country's largest lender, HDFC, has extended its monsoon bumper offer to September 15th, where loans are given at 11%, but disbursement should take place by that date. Virtually all banks and housing finance companies will give Diwali offers, but these are not expected to be prime lending rate cuts, as only new customers benefit.
Customer with a good profile would get for a 20-year floating rate loan, it would be 11%. In fact, a really good profile customer might be able to get slightly lower also.
But unlike new customers, existing customers are still paying way over 11% for their floating rate loans. That's why Mr. Muraleeswaran is prepaying his 15-year HDFC loan after the way interest rates have gone up in the last 1 year.
Around 1.5 years back, it was around 8%. So it is increasing. Every month it is increasing. That way I can say.
Okay.
So for like me people, we can't pay this much interest. So I am prepaying. So
it's clear that real end user demand is still rampant, and that's one of the key reasons why banks and financial institutions are not decreasing their PLRs. Instead, they're incentivizing new customers by offering discounts to current rates. Lending rates and high property prices have had an impact on consumer demand, which is why discounts are being given to new customers taking floating loans. But people in the industry say they are not worried, as the long-term demand is still intact.